If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus provides basic time tracking for employees. If you subscribe to QuickBooks Payroll and/or QuickBooks Time, you have more advanced time tracking options available through the QuickBooks Time program, which integrates with QuickBooks Online Plus and its QuickBooks Payroll service. However, before you track time in either, you should ensure you set the desired time tracking settings in QuickBooks Online. To set the time tracking settings in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Advanced Menu category at the left side of the window to show its category sections to the right. Scroll down the page to the right if needed, and then click the Time Tracking section to the right to enable its options. To add a service field to timesheets that lets you specify a service the employee performed from your products and services list, click the Add Service field to Timesheets toggle switch to set it to the On position. To make time activities billable to customers, ensure the Make Single Time Activity Billable to Customer toggle switch is set to the On position too. To show the billing rate to users who enter time, check the Show Billing Rate to Users Entering Time checkbox. However, if you bill an hourly rate different from what you pay employees but let employees enter their own time, you may want to leave this checkbox unchecked. To set the first day of the work week when entering time, select it from the First Day of Work Week dropdown. To then save your changes, click the Save button at the bottom of this section. To then close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in its lower right corner or the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.